Welcome to Motos Updates. Today, we dive into the latest 2025-2026 models from Subaru, BMW, Mercedes, Volvo, and more. From sleek exteriors to futuristic interiors, let's explore what makes them stand out. The 2025-2026 lineup from Subaru, BMW, Mercedes, Volvo, and other top brands brings a striking combination of modern design, aerodynamics, and power. Each brand has pushed the boundaries of style, performance, and innovation. Engine and powerhouse. Under the hood, these vehicles offer cutting-edge hybrid, electric, and high-performance combustion engines. BMW's M series and Mercedes-AMG deliver turbocharged beasts, while Volvo focuses on electrification with Polestar technology. Subaru, known for its legendary Boxer engine and AWD systems, ensures off-road excellence. Front design and lights. The front fascia of these models is bolder than ever. BMW's signature kidney grille has been refined, while Mercedes sticks to a futuristic seamless grille with an illuminated logo. Volvo, on the other hand, maintains its Thor's hammer LED design, ensuring unmistakable visibility. Subaru integrates rugged design elements with high-performance LED headlamps for an adventurous look. Bumper and wheels. Aerodynamics plays a crucial role in 2025-2026 designs. Front and rear bumpers feature air intakes and diffusers that enhance airflow. Expect larger alloy wheels, ranging from 18-inch to 22-inch options, available in unique finishes. Performance trims from BMW and Mercedes may offer forged aluminum wheels for weight reduction. Side profile and glass. The sleek side profiles of these cars reflect luxury and sportiness. Mercedes introduces frameless doors in its electric models, while BMW's coupe SUV lineup gains aggressive body lines. Volvo, known for practicality, ensures panoramic sunroofs and enhanced side glass acoustic insulation for a quieter cabin. Rear design. At the back, expect redesigned taillights with OLED technology. BMW's L-shaped taillights, Mercedes' horizontal LED bars, and Volvo's vertical designs set them apart. Some brands are also experimenting with flush door handles for improved aerodynamics, similar to what Tesla has done. Interior. Stepping inside these luxury vehicles, you'll be greeted by a tech-driven cockpit with premium materials and futuristic interfaces. Dashboard and LCD. The dashboard designs emphasize minimalism. A massive curved OLED display dominates BM's and Mercedes' dashboards, merging the instrument cluster with infotainment. Volvo retains a Google-powered infotainment system, ensuring seamless connectivity. Side doors and materials. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and premium trims like carbon fiber, aluminum, and leather enhance the side panels. Mercedes introduces touch-sensitive door controls, while Subaru opts for rugged practicality with durable, off-road-ready materials. Gears and start button. Most models adopt electronic gear shifters, with BMW and Mercedes using crystal-finished designs. The start-stop buttons are now either capacitive touch-sensitive or relocated to the steering wheel for easy access. Steering and seating. Steering wheels now feature haptic controls and paddle shifters for performance models. Volvo and Mercedes focus on semi-autonomous driving, integrating AI-powered lane assist features. The front and rear seats are covered in premium leather, Alcantara, or eco-friendly materials. Cargo space. Luxury sedans and SUVs offer a foldable table between rear seats, enhancing comfort. Cargo spaces are larger than ever, with electrically operated tailgates and adjustable loading floors. Price. Prices vary across models and trims. Entry-level models start around $45,000, while high-performance variants like BMW M series and AMG models exceed $120,000. Volvo's EVs are expected to be in the $50,000–$90,000 range, while Subaru's SUVs remain affordable yet feature-packed, starting at $35,000. The 2025-2026 lineup blends performance, luxury, and technology. Which model excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates on luxury and performance cars. Would you like me to tweak anything for your style, or add more details to any section?